fall was real, it wasn't acted. It probably looks fake because I was trying to keep standing, but got myself a little battle scar. Why don't you zoom in on that street foot, see if you can focus. But alas, we continue anyway. I ain't no pussy. What comes up next? What a cliff! This right here is a premature snake hole. You can tell because the snake started to dig and then gave up, had better things to do with its life. So we're going to bury it because that's what nature intended. You're probably wondering why there's bamboo in the middle of Texas. Well, I'm here to tell you. You see, in World War II, Japan thought it'd be a good idea to bomb Texas. However, they replaced the bombs with bamboo seeds. And here we are 10 years later with bamboo. So nature has blocked the path. We'll have to find a different way. Let's see how it goes. The way the Native Americans used to get around was they would visualize where they wanted to go, and suddenly they would be there. Since the path was blocked, we're going to try that ourselves. Frick! Wrong place. Let's try again. See this? The pioneers used to ride those babies for miles. So we made a wrong turn. We're trying to go to Stone Bridge, so we're going to go there next. We are here right now, and afterwards we're going to visit the neighborhood and make a few friends. By the looks of it, you can tell this tree is pregnant because it has the bearings of stretch marks, also known as tiger stripes. As you can see here, you can tell where the baby is depending on the dark colorations of the tree.
For tiger stripes.
So you're probably asking yourself two questions. The first being, why is your head so big? And the second, how do you know so much about the outdoors? Do you cough?
Maybe.
The answer is simple. I'm just freaking smart. Dude, come here. Okay, this right here is actually used to make We're making a video. Dude, you can't be doing that while we're recording. Okay, we're trying to make... Are you sick? You didn't tell me you were contagious before we filmed this?
No.
Keep up!
Try!
I chose you for a reason. You're really carrying all the weight around here. Littering is wrong, and you should... What did I tell you about the coughing?
You didn't say anything.
When Wyatt quit, I had to make ends meet, okay? You were those ends. And you were ruining it, okay? I hired you for a reason. I thought you were a good cameraman! So the water here is actually from the time where there was a flood a few weeks ago. And what happened was... Okay, anyway. So the water here... Probably from around 2... Dude, I'm up here, not wherever you're doing. Okay, get it right. I want this to be a good video, a nice, wholesome... Stop! I think you just... Dude,
Can I go to the hospital?
Why?
Can I just... Can I go to the hospital?
No. We're almost done with the video. Just keep going. Yeah, so these trees here... these trees here... these trees here are... What is wrong with you? I'm not gonna... Stop! We're almost done. Can you please just stop coughing for 1 minute?
Can I go to the hospital? Can we go to the hospital,
Dude,
please?
you recorded me falling in the beginning. You saw I walked it off. You can do the same thing. Well, it looks like Eric died, but I guess I'll end the vlog here and see what happens next. I should probably go to a hospital.